To my channel. Today we are going to create the simple text form fields in Flutter. And for this, first of all, we are going to create a center widget so we can wrap them, and then we are going to give it a child, and we will be giving it a column. In column we are going to create children, and in children we are going to give it a widget. In widgets you can create a container. In container we are going to give it padding edge inserts dot all. Let's give it 15 for the time, and then we are going to create our child widget in which we will be going for text form field. In text form field we are going to, you can create decoration here, and in decoration you can go for input decoration, because we are going to give it a hint text like this, email. In hint text you can give it email, and then we will be giving it a border. Radius, new border radius dot circular. You can then style it as you can adjust the height, padding, you can adjust the shapes, and you can give it anything you want to. I'm giving it a circular, so it will be rounded like this. Let's give it 25, and then we will be giving it okay. So we are done here. Let's reload the screen and let me show you guys how exactly it's happening. Looking now. Now we have created one child, one text form field, and then you can see it like this. One text form field is here, and now you can create another one by giving it like this. Now you will see the second one will be form here, and you can give it a password. And you can see the simplest method of going for text form field in a widget is like this. You can then adjust the background, and you can create a button as well. Thank you so much.